Are you thinking about visiting Vietnam? Are you wondering what are the popular foods to eat in Vietnam? In this video, we give you 10 of the most popular dishes to try while visiting Vietnam. Vietnamese cuisine offers a variety of delicious dishes. Here are 10 popular ones. Number 1. Pho. A fragrant noodle soup with broth, rice noodles, herbs and meat, usually beef or chicken. Number 2. Banh Mi. A French-influenced Vietnamese baguette sandwich filled with various ingredients like meats, pickled vegetables and sauces. Number 3. Cuon and spring rolls. Fresh and light spring rolls filled with shrimp, herbs, pork, rice vermicelli and sometimes other ingredients. Number 4. Bun Cha. Grilled pork patties served with rice vermicelli, fresh herbs and a dipping sauce. Number 5. Cuon tam or broken rice. A dish with grilled pork, broken rice, pickled vegetables and fish sauce. Number 6. Bun bo hu. A spicy beef noodle soup with lemongrass, typically enjoyed in the central region of Vietnam. Number 7. Sai lao. A speciality of Hoi An, this dish consists of noodles, pork and greens topped with croutons. Number 8. Mi Cuon. Yellow noodles with a variety of toppings like shrimp, pork and herbs, often served with a small amount of broth. Number 9. Char Kar Thang Long. Grilled fish with turmeric and dill, typically served with rice noodles and peanuts. And number 10. Banh Xiao. Crispy rice flour pancakes filled with shrimp, pork, bean sprouts and herbs. These 10 dishes showcase the diverse flavours and culinary traditions of Vietnam. So, when you're in Vietnam, try them out and enjoy.